Massachusetts.
Madam President, thank you very, very much. I thank my colleague for his courtesy. I'm perfectly happy to wait, and I'm going to wait and listen to his comments anyway. We get a little Alphonse Gaston thing going here, back and forth. I want to thank Chairman Leahy for his work on the Judiciary Committee in helping to bring this nomination to the floor. And obviously, Senator Brown and I are here together, having worked together to choose this nominee to send his name to the White House. And we're very grateful, both of us, to President Obama for acting favorably on this nonpartisan recommendation, which we made. And we're grateful to the other members of the Judiciary Committee who approved the nomination and brought it to the floor expeditiously so we can fill a very important vacancy in Massachusetts. I think both of us believe that the president could not have nominated a more qualified individual than Judge Hillman. He's already a judge, as we know, but a broad segment of the judicial community in Massachusetts agrees with us completely. Senator Brown and I have agreed on a team made up of some of our top lawyers in the state who get together and screen these candidates before we even view them. And this candidate comes with the endorsement of the Massachusetts Bar Association, the Worcester Bar Association, the Hamden Bar Association, and the backing of this nonpartisan search committee who gave us several names to evaluate, and we sat down and interviewed the judges, and I think both of us are extremely pleased with the results of that. In Judge Hillman, we see what President Obama has recognized, which is a thoughtful, fair, honest jurist who has a long record of public service as counsel to several municipalities in Massachusetts and as a magistrate judge in Worcester. Madam President, there's not going to be any learning curve for Judge Hillman if he's confirmed by the Senate this afternoon. He's serving on the District Court of Worcester would be an enormous capstone to his decades of tireless public service, and I know he will bring his signature brand of thoughtful deliberation to the Worcester District, and I am very grateful for his many years of public service. We're very lucky to have, as the chair, the President of the Senate knows, as a former governor who has made her own nominations, it's tough to get lawyers nowadays who are willing to give up the compensation of the private sector to come and work for very little in a tireless public way. And so I want to recognize Judge Hillman's family, his wife Kay, his children Zach, Molly, and Patrick for their contributions to his ability to be able to share his life in public service with all of us. I ask my colleagues to support his nomination this afternoon of Judge Timothy Hillman to the United States District Court of Worcester, Massachusetts. I yield to my colleague.
Madam President.